Hey, today I'm sharing 19 tips for new preppers, so stick around. So let's get started. OPSEC, or Operation Security. Trust no one. The only people that should know about your preps are the immediate family members that live in your home. You shouldn't tell your best friend, you shouldn't share it with your neighbor across the street or extended family members. Remember, desperate people will do desperate things. And when times get difficult during SHTF, those people are going to come calling. Some will be asking for help. Others may have intentions of taking what you have. Number 2, caution about prep communities. There's a lot of preppers on YouTube that tell you to establish communities and like-minded people so you can share skill sets and ideas and provide security for each other and help each other out in difficult times. And although this is great, it's hard to establish a trustworthy community without exposing your operation security. So I caution you on establishing a prepping community. Remember, desperate people do desperate things. You need to be able to trust these communities 100%. And that's almost impossible to do in today's times. Number 3, understand the rule of 3, meaning a person can only live 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, or 3 weeks without food. Number 4, make prepping a priority. Curtail some of your expenditures and focus on preps. Your life depends on it. Number 5, start with essential items for a 72-hour kit or a bug-out bag and expand your preps from there. Number 6, build your own kits. Get quality items and you'll be more familiar with what's in your kit. And you're not going to get disposable items that you would find in these pre-made kits. Number 7, store water now. Start with enough for a week for each member of your family and expand as soon as possible. Some people have food for a month or 2 or 3 or longer, yet they don't have enough water for that time. There's a water crisis in the West. Water is getting scarce. And if you live west of the Mississippi River, you should be stockpiling water as much as possible. Number 8, learn how and have a means to clean and purify water. Number 9, get as much preps as you can afford and get it done soon. Prioritize those preps. Number 10, name brands are not always better, but buy quality gear. Number 11, prep for every scenario. Lockdowns, bug-ins, bug-outs, off-grid living, natural disasters, weather emergencies, food shortages, water crises, and the list goes on. Number 12, mental preparedness. Prepare now and decide just how far you will go, what you're willing to do to protect yourself, your family, and your preps. Prepare for every tough circumstance. Number 13, gather important documents and keep them in a safe place, but know how to get to them in a moment's notice. Number 14, prep for your geographic location. Consider weather, terrain, whether it's urban or rural. These types of things will determine how much water you need, whether you need a heat source, what type of clothing to prepare, and so on. Number 15, have a plan B. Bugging in should be your plan A. Bugging out should be your plan B. Number 16, be familiar with your preps. Know how to use the gear you have, test it, and use it often. Number 17, learn first aid and know the basics. Number 18, practice your preps. Start with living 24 hours without electricity, water, internet, phone. You will be surprised what you learn. And number 19, if you're planning to buy food kits, sample them first. Most kits are not what they are advertised to be. Hey, if you like this video, please give me those thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you get notified of all future videos that I'll be putting out. And for your benefit, I'm going to stick up a couple more videos right here that I know you're going to enjoy, that you're going to learn something new. So if you click on those, I will see you over on the other side. Thanks for watching.